So who is responsible for salt damp in a wall between a lot's bedroom and the shower alcove within the same unit?
Sure. Now, I'm answering this question as if it was a strata corporation and not a community. Our acts for strata and community do differ. If it's a community, then it's simply the owner's responsibility. No if, buts or anything, because they own, their boundary is from below and upper limits. It has no upper and lower limits to their boundaries. Technically, if I had a unit owner report salt damp behind their shower, I would be questioning that it's actually salt damp / rising damp and not water damage. 99% of the time, if it's backs onto a wet area, it's usually failing shower. Let's say it backs onto the shower like they have stated. It's usually failing grout, cracked tiles, leaking shower taps or your shower rows. So you might have lost an O-ring or your breacher piece in the wall is what's responsible. So to determine if the damage is actually salt damp or failing shower alcove, I would either contact a salt damp company or a plumber to diagnose what is actually the cause. Now, if the area is in fact rising damp, then the dampness is coming from the slab being common property, and this would be a strata expense. If the salt damp is actually water damage, then the plumber would need to report on the cause, as I said, which in most cases is due to failing shower alcove, broken down silicone, cracked tiles, failing grout, etc., or the taps or breacher. The cost to repair the shower lies with the individual owner, as they are not considered to be common property, and the resultant damage may be an insurance claim. However, with each potential claim, this would need to be assessed by your individual insurance company. If the damage is not covered by the insurance policy, the resultant damage may be the owner's cost to repair, as the damage only occurred due to a lack of maintenance on the shower alcove, which is an owner's responsibility. However, that is dependent on your individual corporation. You might find if it is an insurance company that you may also be asked to pay the excess because, again, the claim was caused due to lack of maintenance from an owner's side. If that makes sense.
Okay.